Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come and join me. I will tour guide you inside the IKEA store in Qatar. It's the largest chain selling ready-to-assemble furniture, plus housewares, in a warehouse-like showroom space. They have service options like in-store shopping, in-store pickup and delivery. Almost all we need in the house is here. Enjoy watching. Here at the start you will see a real kitchen setup showcasing the complete kitchen, with island counter and a dining table. Here a sample of a bed. A living room with kitchen on the left. Another kitchen setup here. Nice and simple living room. Another cozy living room area. A nice and simple bathroom. And over here is an elegant living room area. In this section you will see loose furniture with various styles of sofa. Another living room setup here, with kitchen and dining setup. Cool and nice under the stairs study area. Another style of study area. Here are some loose furniture of different styles, like coffee tables and side tables. Bed and sofa furniture. Over here is bookshelves. Another living room with TV entertainment area. Another style of bookshelves. Various styles of cupboards for your TV entertainment. I like this white bookshelves. Cool and awesome. Various styles of storage and display cabinets. You can choose from open shelves or with the glass doors. Here are various design and styles of tables for dining or for office meeting tables. And this is a complete setup. It has a living room with TV entertainment, kitchen, dining, and toilet display, complete with related accessories and fixtures. Another various design and styles of tables as per your needs. They have rectangular, square, oval and round tables. How do you find this white round table? Cool and nice, right? Over here are kitchen displays of various styles and decoration, complete with related accessories and furniture. Please see the continuation in part 2. Thank you for watching. So when you need a ready-made furniture, IKEA is the place to be. Shout out and thanks to all my dear friends and subscribers. Thank you for watching. This is Mr. Muhammed, your friendly neighborhood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. and please comment down below. I love to hear your thoughts and comments. Until next time.